Our task force, Kevin Ferry of Cronus Futures Management, coming to us from the CME, and on the dollar, Boris Schlossberg, senior currency strategist of dailyfx.com. If there were news yesterday and maybe today, Boris, it would have had to do with currencies. So yen 102, we've recovered off of that level when it comes to the dollar. But wow, what's going on here, and what do you think is going to happen today?
Yeah, first of all, I got to tell you, long Obama, short Hillary, keeping my fingers crossed today. So we'll see how that goes.
Whoa, laying it on the table right at the beginning.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, the yen. The yen was supposed to hold at 105, and it's sliced
cut through it like butter.
Exactly, cut through it like a hot knife through butter. I think it surprised a lot of traders, but I think the real reason why is because Japan is chairing the G7 this year, so they really cannot unilaterally go out there and very heavy-handedly intervene in the markets. That having been said, though, at 100, I think they're going to get very, very worried. We already had commentary overnight in Daily Telegraph and UK newspaper from a Japanese vice official basically saying that they're watching the markets carefully. It's their first signal to the markets that they're starting to really, really watch that 100 level. I think when it comes to 100, they may come in and do something at that point, because for them to defend that level is going to be critical. The Nikkei is down 17% precisely because of that reason. But I don't think it really will matter. Honestly, the irony of the whole thing is that the last time the Japanese intervened, it really didn't matter, and it's only when they stopped intervention that the yen actually weakened against the dollar.
Interesting. All right, we're just showing viewers again that we're back to the 102 level, 102.98 when it comes to the yen. Kevin, what's going to drive
on the economics?
in the meantime, Kevin, what do you make of this rush to commodities?
Well, again, it's just amazing. We've been a proponent of the fact that this is going to be a multi-year type of move. But again, you're already seeing, and I think that automated trading systems and the onset of electronic trading have fueled this type of commodity speculation because it's so easy for new people to get in. So it's a very crowded trade. It's extremely dangerous investing for the common man. Don't get me wrong, but it's not going to go away anytime soon.
Get in there, Boris, because the weak dollar's fueling a lot of that commodity drive.
But I couldn't agree more with Kevin. It's very crowded, and we're going to have a very, very sharp retrace in oil probably, and possibly even in gold at this point, because everybody and their mother is in that trade, and it is all being driven by speculative momentum flows. So while it may not be time to liquidate just yet, it's certainly not time to join the trade at this point. As far as the dollar goes, I think also end of this week NFPs will be the make or break for the dollar yen. If we have another negative print in the NFPs, I think we could possibly even go towards that $100 yen level. Last I was with Joe about a month ago, and I said, I think we see $100 yen at 10,000 Dow. I was off by about 2,000 points. It looks like because of the interest rate compression and because of the constant risk liquidation that we're seeing, we could reach it much sooner than later.
NFP, non-farm pay.